Welcome. This video will show you the steps involved in managing overrides for an uncommitted commission profile. The overrides page allows you to modify a commission profile and the commission bonuses it distributes prior to committing it. This includes rank overrides, option or rule overrides, and bonus overrides. Let's get started by logging into the corporate office. In order to configure this feature, the user's role needs to have the permissions selected for the commissions section. Click the Overrides tab in the Commissions section to be taken to the Overrides page. Before adding new overrides, make sure you have pre-selected the period to which it will be applied with the period selector. Clicking the Add button opens the Add Override pop-up window. If the commission period that is selected in the period selector is still open, the pop-up will have two additional drop-downs to complete: the option and paid as rank drop-downs. In the Associate text field, add the associate who will receive the override. If the paid as rank drop-down is visible, and the associate is to receive a different commission as another rank, select that new rank option. Otherwise, do not override it. Add a name to classify the bonus. Then add the amount that is being added to the commission payout, and if that amount is taxable. If the bonus was earned from an associate in the downline, add their name to the Earned from Associate field. If the option drop-down is visible, select an option or rule override. In the Approved By field, add the name of who approved the adjustment. Select the date of the approval with the calendar tool. Type any additional information to add better context for the override in the Notes section. When all this is complete, click the Add Override button. It's important to note, when overrides are added through this tool, you will need to create a new commission profile in order to see the new payment amounts reflected. You now know how to manage overrides for uncommitted commission profiles using the corporate office, allowing you to modify a commission profile and the commission bonuses it distributes prior to committing it. For more in-depth videos, tutorials, and how-to guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.